the show, don't test me, boy. Cause the rap with the best for show, three about to death to me. Cremate my bottle in the ocean, hair just not for me. Moving down, forget about that. Pull a whistle, let me get the rap and put it down. New York City, I never sleep. Ride, close, I'm jealous. My fantasy, hotter than Miami. I feel a beat, oh, this international love. Oh, this international love. I don't play football, I'm gonna touchdown everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. I don't play baseball, but I hit the wrong one everywhere, everywhere. In a country, the cities that I can't pronounce. We the blaze of the globe, I don't know existence. In Romania, she put me to the side and told me, bitch, you can have me in my system. In Lebanon, yeah, the woman in the ball, every pretty sick, yes, the woman is sweet. Been all around the world, that I ain't gon' lie. I'm stuck on Miami Street, you put it down, now you got shit dead. Wild like us, I'm jealous. My fantasy higher than Miami. Oh yeah, oh, oh, international love. Oh, it's international love. Down to the art, looking for pieces. I try to break hard, thinking it was me and then Cuba. I'll say some do that, but don't wanna get down if you know what I mean. You can come get them, I get down, everything girl. I've been at home, better run it, cause you really never seen it, but still. Been all strong, been in club. You love it, me in LA. Tengo la mexicana in New York. Tengo la boricua, visito para los mujeres en Venezuela. Y me llaman de todo, one yeah, down like New York City. Wild like love, I'm chillin'. My fantasy hotter than Miami. Oh yeah, oh, oh, it's international love. Oh, oh, it's international love. Friends, friends, that your love don't affect you, baby. Don't change, cause of your hey, oh, yeah, you put it down like New York City. Wild like us, I'm jealous. My fantasy hotter than Miami. Oh yeah, oh, oh, it's international love. Oh, it's international love. You put it down, New York City. My fantasy hotter than Miami. I feel the heat hotter than Miami. Oh yeah, oh, oh, oh. It's international love. Oh, oh, oh. It's international love. Oh, 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 yeah. International love. Thank you. Kamay, wala dito. Baka mahulog ako sa stage. Baka mahulog ako sa stage. Ang dami lang ako. Ito ba? Thank you. Ayan, bago po ako bumaba dito sa stage na to, gusto ko po ulit sabihin sa inyo. Pagdating po ng May 9, sa mga 18 and above po, at kung sakaling, hello, wala po kayong maiisip na ipotong congressman, baka sakali po, si Congressman Erlix James po. Bago po ako sabihin ko po sa kanila lahat, magtatanong muna po ako, sinong gusto makita si Congressman Erlix Janicio?
Yes!
Ang dami. Pogi po ba?
Yes!
Ayan. Ito po. Siyempre po ang isa na po dyan, si... Siyempre, pinakamaputing konsehala sa kanilang lahat. Kasi po alam niyo po kung bakit pati yung buhok puti. Damit puti. Lahat puti. Siguro po pati yung sapatos puti. At lalong lalo na po yung balat puti-puti. At pati po ang kanyang loob, puti. Siya po, si Edna Puti Ramos, number 25 po sa balota. At syempre po, isa po sa pinakamagandang konsehala. Sabi nga po ni Dr. Emma Alfonso, let's make history. Yeah. Ito na po ang unang babae na magpupunta sa konsehala po. Syempre po, si Huzon Ava Alfonso po, number 15 sa balota. Syempre po, si Marjon Isidro, number 14 po sa balota.
Yes.
At ang tatay po ng pogi-pogi po natin, Congressman. Siyempre po, si Jonix Junicio po, number 9 po sa balota. At ito po, kala ko nahugto. Alam na agad ni ate, nakita na doon, no? Wala pong aagaw sa lolo ko, ha? Siyempre po, number 10 po sa balota, Jesus Sagafa Hardo po. At, siya tawa ng tawa kanina pa, oh. Nahihiya na. Number 4 po sa balota, Mayor Ejercito Era Estrada po. At syempre po, meron pa pong isang number 4. Kilala niyo ho ba kung sino yun?
Hani Lacuna!
Sino yun?
Hani!
Erap? Hindi, sinabi ko na kanina Erap. Meron pa isang number 4.
Hani!
Naku, ulit nga kuya. Hani Lacuna. Tama, Hani. Doktora Hani Lacuna po. At syempre, parehas po silang pogi ni Congressman Alex Junicio. Senator Dumagoso Escono Moreno po. Number 13 po sa balota. Sana po pagdating po ng May 9, iboto po natin sila. Maraming salamat po. Asensya po ulit.
Wow, maraming salamat, Konsehal Giancarlo. Oo. Ay, hindi ka ba tumatakbo?